Over the past year, Vision for Israel has continued to bring hope and relief to countless families across Israel. Thanks to your support, we've been able to provide vital aid and safety to those affected by the ongoing conflict. From the aftermath of the tragic events on October 7th, we installed safety shelters across Israel, with hundreds of new shelters in the north and south. Despite the chaos, we brought joy to Holocaust survivors, hosting a heartwarming event filled with music and connection. VFI equipped emergency response teams with essential gear to keep communities safe, helping to protect against the continued threats. We provided hundreds of families with food, blankets, and gift cards, ensuring they could celebrate holidays with dignity. Your prayers and generous contributions are making a tangible difference. Together, we are bringing hope, security, and compassion to Israel. Support this vital mission today. Thank you for making an impact.